Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to make this fun, simple, and unique birthday card. What you need is a pencil to draw out the design, cardstock or white paper for the base of the card, and then some different colored pens. I chose to use black, silver, and pink for the accent color, but again, these can be customized or changed depending on your liking. So to get started, draw out the design or write out the words in pencil. Next, trace over everything in black. I started with a thin pen, as I usually do. I find this is a great way to outline everything. It lessens the chance of making a mistake, and then it's of course very easy to go back in and thicken up the lines to give it the desired effect that you wish. Next, use your accent color. Here I'm using pink to trace over the word birthday. Then fill in the down strokes in the word Prosecco to give it a calligraphy-esque look without using a calligraphy pen. Again, I started using a thin pen here to kind of outline the letters and outline the downstrokes. And I also did this for the words "it's yours" to give it the same sort of calligraphy script effect. Then I went in with a slightly thicker black pen and filled in those sections that I had kind of outlined and thickened for both words, and also for the word Prosecco. Next, I started adding details to the word dance. I added horizontal lines, as you can see here, to kind of, again, give it that 3D popped out effect. Then I used my silver pen to color in the word dance. Next, I used a slightly thicker black pen to trace over the word drink to thicken it up and give it a bit bolder of an effect. And then I also went back over and traced over the word birthday with the same pink pen to again thicken up those letters and make it a bit bolder and so that it stood out a bit more. For a final touch, I added a pink rhinestone to the I in the word birthday. Again, this is optional. If you like that look, you can also leave it plain without. And ta-da, you are done. There's your card. Thanks for watching.